Hi there.
Hi.
And who are you?
Okay, my name's Amy and I live in Zionsville.
Oh, great, Amy. Thank you. So, Amy, how'd you come to find out about Cornerstone Painting and Drywall?
I found your name on a Facebook Moms page for my local community.
Okay. And we've done some work for you before, hadn't we?
Yes, a couple of
Okay.
times.
So this is our second time back now.
Yes.
Okay. So what did we do for you this time around?
Some ceiling repairs because I had some discoloration and a few cracks in my ceiling, and I just needed to have things blended and painted so they didn't show anymore.
Okay. And how did we do on that count?
Everything looks great. I'm very
Okay.
happy.
Good, good. Anything else you want to mention about just the work being done or anything?
I would say that your crew that was here working with you also did a great job. Everybody was very pleasant, very easy to have in my house, very accommodating, and it was a really good experience, and I wouldn't hesitate to call you guys again.
Awesome. We appreciate that. So I guess that means that you wouldn't mind referring us to people as
No,
well.
absolutely.
Oh, Amy, we really appreciate the time that you gave to us this week to get the work done, and it was just a pleasure to work with you guys. You're a real easy person to work with, so we really appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.